Hello and welcome to part 3, generating a new lead task and notification. One of the main benefits of Rapid Platform is the ability to process drive parts of your business. In this case, we want to process drive a new lead process, which includes tasks to be generated and notifications to be sent to internal sales team members. This helps to ensure leads are contacted in a timely manner and no leads fall through the cracks. We do this using the Rapid Workflow Engine. Let me show you how easy this is to do. So if I jump over into my training site, I navigate to Workflow, which is down here, the middle icon. So what I'll do is just generate a new process diagram. Let's just say new lead process. I will go through and build this process now, and then I will explain it once I'm finished building. So just bear with me. Okay, so that completes the configuration of this new lead process. So what I'll do now is quickly talk you through this process, and then I can demo the start section of this process. So the process is triggered when a new lead is created. So this can either be from the online form or via the manual data entry that I showed you in the previous videos. So once a new lead is created, then we're going to go and generate a new task. So this task is going to be assigned to our sales team, and it's a task to contact the new lead. On that task, I will show you in a minute, but we give the details of the lead, and the phone number and email and that sort of thing, so they have access to that information to make contact nice and easily. We can then give a description also for the task. You can give as much detail here as you need. We can also have due dates and add attached adaptive documents so that we can give even more information via a form and that sort of thing. So there's a lot of flexibility and scope to what information we generate on a task. In this case, it's a very simple, hey, new leads in the system, make contact. Once they complete this task, then we hit this exclusive gateway. So it's like a door, it's a fork in the road. And we ask the question, has the lead been contacted? If the status of the lead is contacted, then we know the answer is yes. If the status of the lead is still new, which is our default status, then we assume that they haven't contacted the lead and they have completed this task by mistake, or they haven't updated the status to what it should be contacted. So we are going to go down this fork in the road. We're going to wait one day, and then we're going to regenerate this task for the sales team to contact the lead. They will then see it in their task list and go, well, look, we have made contact, and then hopefully update the status. Or if they accidentally completed the task and the lead wasn't contacted, then the lead will be contacted. So you can see how we're trying to eliminate any leads falling through the cracks. Once we hit this gateway and they have been contacted, then the next task we generate is a discovery questionnaire. So this gets sent to the lead. So in the initial contact, we're having a conversation around, the discovery questionnaire and how we're going to send it to the lead. So the lead will get an email with a link to an online form for them to enter all of their responses to that questionnaire. So we would need to generate another form, which would be our questionnaire form. Once this task is generated, we have these two non-interrupting timer events. So what they do is, as soon as this task is generated, we're going to sit here and wait for the defined period. So if I click on this, you can see it's 2 days and this one's 4 days. So we're going to wait here for 2 days. If this task isn't completed within the 2-day period, we're going to send a reminder to the lead. So it's just an email stating that we would love to hear from you. If the task isn't completed within a 4-day period, then we're going to generate a follow-up task for the sales team to follow up the lead. So you can see where we're gently reminding the lead, hey, complete the questionnaire. But after 4 days, then we're sending it to our internal team to follow up the lead and have that manual personal touch point. Once the lead then completes their questionnaire, we're going to notify the sales team. The purpose of this would be because they may complete it within the first 24 hours or first 2 days. So we want to notify the sales team to say, hey, look, this lead has submitted responses. They're keen. Let's keep momentum going. Okay, so that completes the build of the new lead process. So I just wanted to demonstrate to you how process and the workflow engine works and how it can be used to drive automation and efficiency in your business. Obviously, this process could be as complex or as simple as you like, but hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of some of the capabilities of our workflow engine. So let me just quickly demonstrate to you how this kicks off. So I'm just going to pick up our new leads form. And let me just submit a new lead. So David Smith, email. Let's just use a couple of these. There's the mobile, business 456, and 1234. There we go. Okay, let me submit that. Okay, so now if I go to my leads list, we can see there's David Smith. All the details have come in. I can also go to my task list and show you there's a new task in here, contact new lead, and there's the business name. There's a couple of other test ones there. So if I open that, so now here I can see the lead details. So this would be for the sales team. They've logged in. I've picked up this task to contact business 456. It hasn't been started yet. There's some details I can enter as needed, but here are the specific lead details. So I know that I'm contacting David. Here's his mobile, there's the email and the company, and then a status field. So I can change this to contacted, nurture, or whatever it may be. So I've given David a call. We've had a good chat. He's keen to get the discovery questionnaire. I then update the status and complete the task here. And if I now go to back to our process diagram and I refresh this, you can see there it had completed that task. It's hit the gateway. The status is not new. So we've moved to our discovery questionnaire. That would then send an email to David, and you can see these 2 timers are waiting. So if I click on that, it's waiting for 2 days, and it will send the reminder. 4 days, it'll follow up the lead, and then if I just now go let me add that in there and save this, I can complete this task just manually because I am able to see the task. So David has completed the questionnaire. This is errored because I haven't configured it, but it would then send an email to me as the sales team saying, congratulations, there's some questionnaires, responses ready, and then that is the process done. So very easy, very simple to do. So hopefully this, you're starting to ideate on how you might use workflow to automate and improve efficiency within your business. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Join me in the next video where we continue going through building a CRM. Thank you.